Good evening, everyone. This is Craig, and welcome back. Well, that Coinbase IPO was not a bust, but it kind of like came out of the gate, went up to like 400 and something dollars, and then ended the day at 330 below where it started. So I don't know what that means for Binance. I guess they were kind of hoping it would take off and go to like 500 because that means Binance is worth more, but it is what it is. I want to talk tonight, a little quick episode, because we talked about how Canadians get the shaft all the time when it comes from these cryptocurrency exchanges. So I did my research today on that Newton that I talked about. How easy is it to buy a coin? What coin is the cheapest? The one that's got the least gas fees, least fees for buying it, the least fees for transferring it across to Binance's wallet, my wallet in Binance. And I found the perfect solution. Now, first of all, let's go to Newton. So this is my Newton account, and as you can see, I have $0 on there now. Last night I had $2,000 on there. I wanted to research which one of these coins, and by the way, I found out there's more coins than these 5. If you hit all coins, it shows you've got more choices, which is actually good. So I didn't know anything. If you remember last night's episode, I said, Ripple, I don't know, and Stellar. Well, I found out Stellar is the answer. That's why it's back on this screen here. That's the Stellar coin right there you see on that screen. So Stellar is the answer because Stellar, let me bring it over to my favorite research site, the Coin Market Cap. You go on here, you pick any coin. I'll back it up just to show you. You see all the different coins. If you click on any of them, let's pick on Stellar, which is the one. Its symbol is XLM, by the way. So I guess it's Stellar Lumens. So the LM must be lumens. But I didn't know anything about this coin. I had no interest in buying this coin. But then I found out their whole claim to fame. Let me go to their little org here. You go to their website, and their whole claim to fame is they're focusing just on a payment system. Peer-to-peer, company-to-company, whatever. And because of that, they have their own blockchain, and their fees are so low that, and you can read this, by the way, if you go onto CoinMarketCap and pull up Stellar. So you read that at your leisure. But when you go back into Newton, I found out you can buy Stellar at almost zero fees, and transferring to Binance was free. And that's because I think Newton has a $5, will cover the first $5 of any transfer fees. So not only does Newton not charge you to deposit or to withdrawal, but now I found the perfect coin, Stellar, to send across to Binance to finance it. And then when I go across to Binance, you see that XLM, which is Stellar, has a tradable account for BNB, which is my favorite coin, the Binance coin. So as you can see, you go here, and I love this. I love this about Binance. Look at this. Level 2 quotes, tick-by-tick trades. You can click here. Oh, obviously, this is where you put in your buy order, whether you want to do a market or a limit. And then you hit here, and you get this beautiful chart. Now, this is XLM versus Binance. And as we talked about in previous episodes, Binance is just a rocket ship to the moon. It's my favorite coin. So when you compare the denominator of your equation is Binance, it's comparing it to Binance. So it looks like, oh God, this coin's terrible. But when you go up here, if I go XLM to USDT, which is XLM versus US dollars, a Tether coin, it's actually going up. It's just not going up as fast as Binance, which is not really surprising when you see how fast Binance has gone up. Let's just check out Binance here, Binance USD. So there you go. There's Binance USD. If I back it up, I mean, it's just been a rocket ship. Look at how steep that curve is there, that trend line is. So yeah, so I can't really, poo-poo on Stellar too much for not keeping up with Binance. But yeah. So, but what I was going to say is when you put it in US dollar terms, it's doing quite well. So I think this would be a good opportunity. It's such a cheap coin to buy, almost no fees, negligible fees, no fees to transfer. And it's better than a USDT or a BUSB, which is just a tethered coin to the US dollar, because as you can see, it is going up versus the US dollar. So if you ever feel like Binance or your other favorite coin is like a little overextended and you want to pull your money into something that's a little bit more calm, then maybe Stellar coin is actually the trick. So there you go for my Canadian viewers. The best way to get your money to Binance is to go from Newton to Binance by using the Stellar coin. There you go. You're welcome. So that's it. Oh, and I wanted to talk about Let's talk about VeChain. So there's VeChain, US dollars. I think we were talking about it back here. And look, all day today, it's just been to the moon. It's now at 17.5 cents. So yeah, yay. VeChain's doing well. Binance has had a little bit of a pullback. Let's go to the main exchange here, and you can do it this way. Main exchange, just click this button to say your 24-hour change from high to lower, from low to high. Top coin the last 24 hours of my favorites that I follow is VeChain against BNB, VeChain against Bitcoin, VeChain against the US dollar. VeTho, which is the little brother of VeChain, it's the gas coin, is 11% against BNB. So you're comparing it against a strong coin. It's 7.46% above USDT, or risen against USDT. And then you got Ethereum, ADA. I have ADA, I have Polkadot. But the only one that's kind of pooping the bed today is Binance, which is my favorite coin. So I'm a little sad about that. But anyways, it is what it is. Every day can't be a winner. So there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that. If you're a Canadian, I probably just saved you a bunch of money and time. So that's probably good. For those Americans, you never know. You might come move to Canada because it's a beautiful country with beautiful people. So I might have helped you there too. Next episode, I'll either talk about probably Polkadot or Cardano, unless some earth-shattering thing happens in the crypto world. But for now, let's sign off. I'm just hoping you happiness, health, and wealth in that order. Ciao for now.